I enjoy Excel Dental for many reasons. I do have anxiety when it comes to dentistry, always have my whole life. And at Excel Dental, I think this is the first time that I've ever felt a part of the dental family. When I walk in the door, they greet me immediately, ask how my day's been. They seem to care, and I know they care. Another thing is just the building itself. It's lovely, welcoming, bright, cheery, and there's such a positive energy and atmosphere here that it dissipates my fear. I find Dr. Davis to be very unique. She's highly intelligent, and yet she's bubbly, friendly. She has it all. And when she's working with my teeth, I know I'm in the best of hands. I have never been harmed here. I have never been hurt. And whether that be a cleaning or through my entire Invisalign experience. And I've been here quite a bit. And so I think that says a lot. Her follow through, her care. If there would be a problem, I know I can contact her and that she would be on it as soon as she possibly could. She is from the very beginning, the concept of correcting teeth to beautifying our mouths, all the way through the experience itself, and then the follow-up, which I find so many people kind of drop the ball at the end. She does not. She's very caring throughout the entire experience. And I find that to be unique. I think one thing that's very important to say about the Excel Dental staff is that they have a beautiful reputation in the community. They win awards on an annual basis. Dr. Tracy actually won Dentist of the Year, Top Doc of the Year a couple of years ago. And I think all of that is the recognition by the community on behalf of their care, their donations to different fundraisers. They're very active when it comes to children's mental well-being, children's health, hygiene, and hunger, which is also our Care to Learn program. They typically are hosts of that. And so they're not only caring of their actual patient population, but they take their care outside of the walls, and they're involved in our community's at-risk families and finding ways to better those who live in Christian County and neighboring counties.